Hi, sweeties.
Those great minds think alike.
Energy. Hello, baby. Chocolata.
Wait, what is chicken? For you as well? For you as well? No.
Say cheese. Hi, sweeties. I'm back again. So now we're going to go and look for the echo. Oh my god. We're going to go and look for where to eat. Are my shades indoor? Yes. Okay. And then what? Okay, we're going to look for a place to eat. I don't know if this is lunch, dinner. But let me show you guys what I'm wearing because. So first off, I have these nice shades from, I don't know if it's PLT or H&M. I think it's PLT. I'll confirm and then put it on the screen like that. Then I have this pretty top, this gorgeous top. I think I got this from Primark shorts, Primark slippers. You guys, they should endorse me because why not? But anyways, I'll update you guys and show you guys where we eventually get to eat and what we eat. Peace. Hello, baby. Chocolata. Whew.
This is how your skin looks.
Talk to me, baby! Energy, yes.
It's not stressing you out.
Yes, something we're going to take and face. But regardless, you have to enjoy when you're not facing it. Okay, now let's check the map. I can't keep myself. No. Shout out to you, Oxy. I don't even know which one I should start with first. Maybe let me start with this part.
Oh my goodness.
Ooh, see the juices. Away. I think I'll just be picking the chips one by one. Quack. No. Oh no, this is not dog. What do chickens do? I beg, I cannot do that one. Please let me not disgrace myself. Cuckoo. What other noise do chickens make? Quack. No, that's.
Isn't that like... I don't know.
Jennifer. Hi, sweeties. Welcome to. I don't know if this will be another video or continuation, but like, how do you guys like my makeup? So today we're going for dinner to a nice restaurant. Beautiful food, nice ambiance. So I just like, let me just start the vlog here. I'm sorry about this echo, but like, let's just make it work. So let me show you guys my dress. I'm not wearing my shoes for the dinner yet because I can't. Let me just show you guys what I'm wearing. So this is what I look like. My cross, this pretty dress. Sorry about the dirty mirror. These slippers. Just to walk there, and apparently it goes with my dress, so yeah. And yeah, I'm going to take my shoes. Today we're doing orange accessories in the sense of bag and shoe, the orange, so yeah. Let's go, people, let's go. Guys, I have a surprise for you. Come and see Jennifer's dress. Do you know that we didn't plan this thing? We did not plan this thing. We just came here and discovered that we had the same dress.
Those great minds think alike.
Energy. So basically, I ordered this dress from PLT and hers is from PLT, but like it's the same print but different material and style. So this is what it looks like. Our slippers. We cannot go and kill ourselves on the road.
I can't come and keep myself.
I can't kill myself. Guys, see Jennifer's makeup. Ha! Gege. What's your eyeshadow game? Tilika, I don't know how to do eyeshadow.
I'm a beginner, guys.
Oh please, I can't wait for us to get to the lights. Let them see us in full. Dun. The light is not giving what it's supposed to give. It's not giving that. Okay, but it's better here, sir. So today, guys, we went in the opposite direction. Usually we walk that way, that's our hotel there. But today, we're walking this way. And Jennifer is our navigator.
I'm leading the way, guys.
Energy!
My navigation way.
Guys, the first restaurant we went to was closed, even though on Google, like, it was showing they were open. We were so upset. But we had to quickly look for another one. And we were so lucky that we found one that wasn't so far. So we had to walk like another 12 minutes to where we eventually had dinner. We have arrived at the restaurant. It's not bad, it looks nice. As good as that meal looks, I did enjoy it. Let me not even lie. Like, I'm such a picky eater. I had to scrape the potatoes because I didn't like the sauce, and the meatballs were not giving at all. Like, hey, God. I actually had to use water to just push it down because I wasn't having it. So I eventually ate cookies when we got back to the hotel. Energy! Hola, sweeties. Guys, from now on, it's Spanish and Spanish only. Period. We're going to the beach. We're going to the beach.
We're going to the beach.
Let's go to the beach. Beach, have a little fun. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. That's the only verse I know. Starships were meant to fly. So after the beach, we're going to come back to this pool here, right? And just sit down inside and have a good time. Yeah.
And I want slush or ice cream.
This one is craving things. Please, guys, people that crave stuff, what's their predicament?
My predicament is nothing. I'm just craving.
Okay. Be expecting Junior. How are you finding this one?
It's like,
guys,
this is just Spain. Wind going through. Guys, be good. Don't be evil. Don't want to end up in hell. I'm telling you, like, it's not worth it.
You guys, I feel like a baked potato, not even a potato. Potato. Because this is not even funny. Like, what?
Just know me, I will not be in hell.
Neither would I. Amen. Amen, sister. Amen. I've loved to do this thing. What they call it? Okada on the water. What they call it? So over there is our hotel. That's where we're coming from. We've come to the sea. Hopefully we will find Little Mermaid and King Triton here. And Ursula. Yeah, he's hot, oh. Yeah, he's hot. No, I was not wearing my shades. You are wearing your shades. Oh. Say cheese! Cheese! Guys, we outside. We are going to swimming pool. We are going to go enter the water and just feel a little bit of fantasy kind of sun. Hey, I didn't wear my rubber slippers. Let me just go and wear it. the day after going to the beach, we went to get some ice cream because we had been wanting to for days, and this turned out to be one of the best experiences ever because we saw one of the biggest ice cream cones in the world, I guess. I don't know, but I was really excited. So continue watching and see how it went. Oh my god. Yes, please.
Cuando ellos te piden dos bolas, yo necesitaba vender dos bolas. Cuando pequeño. Sí, eso es lo que si se podía trabajar no tenía que vivir. Quería que se
Wow. That's massive. Jesus.
For you as well. For you as well. No.
Gracias.
This is for you.
Gracias. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow. Guys, quick story. So we went to the first ice cream place we saw yesterday, and unfortunately they were not open. So we're like, okay, let's go to another one. What is this place? What is this? Like, I feel like the Statue of Liberty. Does she smile? No, I don't even know. But
Guys, and it's so nice.
I got vanilla and I think nata bun. It's like oh my god, just know that it has little chocolate thingies inside and it tastes like vanilla, something like that. Then I got the actual vanilla. So
Isn't that like
what's that?
Oreo?
Yeah, something like that, but it doesn't taste like Oreo. After our ice cream, we went to a little shop not too far from our hotel just to pick up some things for family and friends. We also got stuff for ourselves and we got free bracelets. How sweet of them. That was actually really thoughtful. So when that was over, we went to our hotel room to put our things together as we're leaving the following day. Yeah, so this basically sums up our stay in Vera in Spain. So stay tuned to see what else we got up to in Spain. I know you enjoyed this video. I wasn't even going to ask, oh, if you enjoyed the video. Nope, I know you did. So don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel to see more beautiful content like this. Stay safe. I love you all. Bye.